Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. So in one of my previous videos, I created a look using the HudaBeauty Rose Quartz palette. And you guys really seem to like it. And I promised to do another video using the same palette, but do more of like a smoky version. So this is the video. If you haven't seen my previous video where I did more of a soft lilac look, I will link it down. The first thing I did was went in with this Mudmasky Eye Serum. And then I went in with this MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. If you haven't really recently watched my YouTube videos, I have one eye that has eczema, so unfortunately I'm only able to film on one eye. It really sucks. I hope it's gonna be gone real soon. I think it's food related and I think I found what might trigger it, so hopefully I can fix this whole eczema situation and film finally looks on both eyes ASAP because I can't wait. I mean, I still like filming looks like this on one eye only. I mean, it can still give you a lot of inspiration, but I always feel like the end result looks so much prettier when you can see it on both eyes. It just gives a better view on the makeup look. But I'm just keeping my eyes, not my eyes, I keep my fingers crossed that it will be gone soon, because I just feel like when I'm eating a little bit more unhealthy things with certain ingredients in it, I get these really aggressive itchy flare-ups on my eyelid, and I'm just over it. It's taken months now and I'm just so done with it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. So I went in with this light color, a combination of two shades all over my crease, and then I went in with this darker shade and blending this around the outer portion of the eyelid. And as you saw me doing at the beginning of the video, I used a eyeshadow guard. If you don't have these, you can also use some regular sticky tape that you use to like put presents, you know what I mean? It's kind of hard for me to explain in English, but I'm sure you know what I mean, you know, just sticky tape. You can use it as well to get that sharp edge. So I'm just gonna start and continue to blend this dark shade in this area, and then I'm just kind of slowly building it up. I'm focusing mainly in this area where I'm blending the eyeshadow right now. I'm not gonna blend this all the way to the inner corner because I just want to create kind of like some darkness and smokiness at the outer part and keep the rest a little bit lighter. So after blending this, I went in with this gorgeous color, and the pigmentation of this shade is so pretty. I think it's kind of like a silvery shade. So I'm just using my finger to apply this on the center. Well, not only the center, just all over my eyelid basically. So first I kind of smeared it on the eyelid, and then I made kind of like tapping motions and just kind of trying to blend it a little bit more. Then after that I went in with this dark color, and I'm gonna blend this along the lash line, so it will kind of create the illusion that you have like a wing liner, but instead of using eyeliner I use this eyeshadow, which gives more of a softer effect. So it still gives you that smokiness, but in a more softer way. Also, if you struggle with creating wing liner, this is so much easier because you just have to just blend your brush along, but you don't have to be super precise. So now for the lower lash line, I wanted to do something different, so I went in with this kind of like bluish purpley shade. I felt like I could have gone in with a dark brown color, but I felt like that would make it too basic and kind of similar to maybe looks that I've done already. So I wanted to go for a different color underneath the lower lash line. So this is really shimmery, and I used a Sigma E50 flat definer brush. I have a special discount code for all Sigma Beauty brushes, which I will link down in the description bar in case you're curious. Sigma Beauty has, in my opinion, the best brushes. So if you're curious in purchasing any new brushes, I will definitely recommend Sigma Beauty brushes. So then I went in with this color and starting to blend my lower lash line out even more. It's such a beautiful kind of like purpley blue sheen that I have going on right now, and I think it's super pretty. Then next, to give my inner corner a little pop, I went in with this light shade and started blending this in the inner corner of the eye. And then after that, I also decided to blend it up a little bit upwards. So it kind of looks like it blends into that silvery shade that I used at the beginning. Also notice how that color that I used all over the eyelid doesn't really look silvery anymore. It kind of blended into the shades that I had in my crease, and it gives a total different unique shade. Now for in my waterline, I went in with the Makeup by Mario pencil. I think it's in color Soft Brown. Super beautiful kind of warm brown color, which matches really nicely with the shade in my crease. And the nice thing is that this color really pops my eye color, which I really like. Then I went in with a lash curler and I went in with some mascara, of course. I used my favorite, which is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I've been using it for a really long time now and it's just a really nice one. Of course, mascara is really personal. What works for me might not work for you, but I've heard a lot of comments say that you guys really seem to like this mascara as well, so that makes me super happy. Now, after applying mascara on the upper lashes and the lower lashes, I did also go in with some false lashes. I don't know the name. It was like a huge thing with all kinds of lashes on it. So I have no idea because it didn't have a name of a brand or the name of the lash style on it anymore. But they're actually quite simple and I think a lot of brands have similar styles. So yeah, this is the final result. I really hope you all like this look. If you haven't seen the previous video that I made using the Rose Quartz palette by HudaBeauty, I will link it down in the description bar. I hope you like this version that I did. Just let me know in the comments. And yeah, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you did enjoy, that's really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye. Even if you try